Google Pixel 7 Pro review. Google finally delivers a true Android flagship that just works. If you remember the mayhem caused by the Google Pixel 6 Pro from last year, then you'll also recall how simply divisive it was. Please like this video if you are a Google Pixel phone lover. Let me know in the comments section your experience with Google Pixel phones, and if you haven't subscribed already, then hit subscribe button now, so you don't miss a thing in the future. So, for the Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro, pricing and availability. You can buy the Google Pixel 7 Pro starting with 128GB of storage and 12GB of RAM for a starting price of $899. It's available throughout the US, Europe, and some countries in Asia. You can buy it today from Google's own store. For the Google Pixel 7 Pro, design. The Google Pixel 7 Pro doubles down on the design language started by the Google Pixel 6 series. It has the same iconic camera visor on the back, an all-glass design, and rounded sides on the display. It does away with the two-tone design language, the curved sides are more subtle, and the camera visor has circles around the camera lenses to make them stand out more. The metallic bar has a glossy finish on the Pixel 7 Pro, and it seems to dent and scratch fairly easily. Google's Pixel 7 Pro doubles down on the already great design that the Pixel 6 Pro had. This is an iconic, unique design that I absolutely love, and I'm really glad that Google is keeping it around for yet another generation. For the hardware. Not much has changed about the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro screens. The 6.3-inch OLED on the Pixel 7 is a smidge smaller than the 6.4-inch Pixel 6, with no change in resolution, but it's still capped at a 90Hz top refresh rate. The Pro model continues to offer a huge 6.7-inch 120Hz display with slightly smoother scrolling and animations. Google says they're both 25% brighter in direct sunlight. For the Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro camera. The Pixel 7 and 7 Pro's camera upgrades are likewise small in scale, but I think they have a bigger impact. There's no change to the main camera sensor this year. Both the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro use the same 50-megapixel camera as last year. They both include a 12-megapixel ultrawide. The 7 Pro's version has autofocus and can double as a macro camera. The 7 Pro also has a 48-megapixel telephoto camera with up to 5 times optical zoom compared to last year's 4 times. The Pixel 7 still doesn't get the telephoto module, but its selfie cam does get upgraded to the same 10.8-megapixel sensor that's in the 7 Pro and the 6 Pro. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment the country you are watching from. See you in my next video.